Oh yeah. As soon as you lose power, I can feel it. All right, before landing checks, fuel selectors in both mixtures and rich. Heartbeats out, landing lights on, check your seatbelts. I think that was the wrong order, but the things were there. We're probably just going to do a low approach. I didn't lose enough altitude yet. I'm okay with that.
Do you know why you're so fast? And it's not power. It's not power.
Oh my God. Now I saw when you pulled into the wind, it took a shitload to keep going.
That was a nice turn, much better than mine. Mine was a little too lazy. You know what I'm saying? And we were just way wide. This is much nicer pattern.
Yeah, I can't call out.
Yeah, I won't. I was just waiting in the sky. Tell your traffic 1100, left base 36. I'll make the calls. Don't worry about it. I'll swap these out when we get to when I get home. I'll have a good one.
All right, we'll just start a crab from here and.
Hey, next town if you come around, late turn too. I had a late turn. You're lined up left. Yeah, no, you're lined up left.
Holy crap.
Davis Field traffic, helicopter 192 Alpha Echo's about 8 miles to the southeast, 1,200, transitioning north-south on the eastern side of the airfield.
Hey, 1100, final 36 option.
Davis traffic, helicopter 192 Alpha Echo's about 7 miles to the southeast, transitioning south to north on the eastern side of the airfield, 1,200.
All right, we're back in the power just a hair. I'm just cheating a little. This way, it's one less thing you got to worry about. I gave you a big juice of power. Nice, very nice approach, by the way. Point, give me your left wing down, right rudder. And yeah, stay a little high. Don't worry about it, because I don't want you getting sucked down into the trees. There you go. Give me the cross control now.
Holy moly.
Left wing, right rudder. I need to see it. Okay, come down. Left wing, right rudder. Left wing, right rudder. Left rudder, right wing. Oh my gosh!
That felt so weird.
Take it around.
Okay.
That was my total. I'm a freaking bonehead.
I'm
so sorry.
Backwards.
I did, and I'm like, why? Oh yeah, because I'm an idiot. See if you can get 60. See if you can maintain 60 on the climb. That was my bad. I apologize for that. That was good though. Other than me screwing you over, that was real nice.